another day, another spot to visit here in El Nido, Palawan. Welcome to Daracotan Island.
Hello, friends and fellow travelers. My name is Angel. You can find me on social media sites as manilenyasaisla. I typically upload informative travel videos where I talk about quick guides, travel hacks, things to expect, and so much more when traveling to El Nido or even outside this small town in Palawan. Please do not forget to leave a thumbs up if you like the information that you will see in this video, and feel free to subscribe for more.
We're currently here at Dryft Camp at Daracotan Island. And for this video, I am going to show you two ways on how to visit and explore Daracotan Island. If you're looking for something interesting that you want to do here in El Nido without doing the traditional island hopping or any other inland tours, you can definitely consider this day trip itinerary. Call time is at 8 in the morning. We are going to drive up north for approximately 45 minutes to get to Teneguiban Port. But first, coffee and dog petting. We decided to make a quick stop at Amihan Kite Windsurf Cafe for a quick coffee where the port is just a few steps away. We will park our bikes here as well. Amihan Kite Windsurf Cafe is a kiteboarding and windsurfing spot that offers other beach activities too, like kayaking, stand-up paddles, and more. They have a restaurant as well. If going through a motorbike is not an option for you, you can book a van that goes there at the port area from town at 9 o'clock in the morning and 12:30 noon, then back to town before the sunset. Check them out for the prices and slots. To reach Daracotan Island, renting a boat is a must, of course. Going back to what I promised though, here are two ways to get to the island. One is purely DIY, another is via one of the camps on the island. Let me talk about the DIY first, which will be an ideal setup for a group. We rented a boat for 600 pesos per person, 5 to 6 persons per boat capacity. Note that some boats do not have roofings, so if you need extra sun protection on that, put them on as soon as you get to the port. It will be a 15-minute trip going to Daracotan Island. The boat will drop you off in front of Base Camp, though signages would say Backpackers Inn. Let me do a quick rant. Personally, I wouldn't suggest staying here. We asked if we could have lunch there, and the staff said we could, but we had to be quiet, which we knew we couldn't do because we wanted to talk and enjoy and have fun. Also, a neighbor had a bad stonefish experience that the staff didn't care so much about. So, nope. You can walk towards Tao Expedition Camp or Dryft Camp, or in our case, we went to Isla Experience. One challenge here in the island is due to their limited resources, you have to let them know of your plans to visit beforehand so that they can include you on the prep count. Otherwise, you have to look for a place that can accommodate you, which I don't think would be a problem if you want to go solo or as a pair. We were 15, so it was difficult for us to get an instant yes from Isla Experience. But when they agreed to cater to us, we didn't go anywhere else to spend the afternoon, which we didn't regret. They even made us borrow their snorkels and life vests with no extra cost. We enjoyed the sunken shipwrecks so much because of them. Here is where I would talk about the second way to get to the island, booking through Isla Experience. They offer day trips which can be convenient and hassle-free but would only go based on schedule. Do note that they close from April to September because of the rainy season. Check out their social media or website or all other booking sites for some quick FAQs and bookings, as they can cater overnight glamping experience as well. You can book through Klook for additional discounts too. You may use my code manilenyasaisla for up to 5% off. I will put the link on the description below for easier booking. After a few hours after lunch, we decided to walk towards Dryft Camp for some cocktails. We also talked to our boats to pick us up there at 4 p.m., so it was time for us to go. Dryft Camp is also available for overnight bookings via their website or other booking sites. Personal preference is, again, Klook, as we get to have more discounts. They offer different kinds of accommodations, so make sure to check them out first, one by one, before finally deciding to book. We were back at Teneguiban Port at approximately 5 p.m., just in time for sunset while going back in town. If you have questions about this trip, you can reach out to any of my social media sites at manilenyasaisla. Until next video, bye!